Hey everyone, today we are thrilled to showcase the 2025 Dodge Coronet Super B Wagon 440, a car that blends classic American muscle with modern innovation. Let's explore every detail of this powerhouse. Starting with the front view, the 2025 Dodge Coronet Super B Wagon 440 boasts an aggressive and commanding design. The bold grille takes center stage, featuring Dodge's signature styling, flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide superior visibility and a futuristic look. The sculpted hood complements the aerodynamic lines, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. Backside moving to the back, the design screams power and practicality. The sleek LED taillights stretch across the width, giving the rear an unmistakable presence. The dual exhaust tips are a subtle nod to its muscle car heritage, while the spacious rear hatch ensures this wagon doesn't just look good, it's practical too. Interior view: step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that combines luxury with functionality. The leather-wrapped seats provide maximum comfort for long drives, while the advanced infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen, keeps you connected with navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Ambient lighting and premium materials elevate the interior's sophistication. Right view: from the right side, the elongated body of the wagon highlights its versatility. The prominent wheel arches house 19-inch alloy wheels that add a sporty flair. The side mirrors feature integrated turn signals for added safety and style. The smooth lines and aerodynamic profile are designed to minimize drag and improve fuel efficiency. Left view: looking at the left side, the seamless design continues with a cohesive flow from front to back. The chrome accents along the windows add a touch of elegance, while the roof rails enhance its utility for adventurous journeys. Every detail is thoughtfully crafted to ensure form meets function. In the 2025 Dodge Coronet Super B Wagon 440 is a true blend of muscle, practicality, and modern technology. With its powerful engine, innovative features, and iconic design, it's ready to make a statement on the road.